Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Today, I am doing something very different. Anytime that I've ever done like a recreation of a look or a look that's inspired by another artist, I would always take the look and then create it the way that I think that it's created, techniques included. But in this case, dianashin, and I believe that that's how you pronounce her last name, or dianashin, I'm not sure if that's a full. Girl, her Instagram, I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. Either way, she is a makeup artist for Fashion Nova. Thank God for the models who tag the creative teams, because that's personally how I find a lot of my favorite makeup artists on Instagram. Her work is phenomenal. Make sure you guys check her out and give her a follow. I will make sure I leave her links down below in my description box, along with all the products that I have used to create this look, and there will be links provided for the products that are actually still available. Sorry, the Morphe palettes that I'm using, they are discontinued, which sucks because I really do love them. But long story short, I am about to show you guys how I recreated this look from her. Doesn't this girl look gorgeous? Yeah. I've watched this reel so many times, but yeah, I'm gonna be recreating this look to the best of my ability. You guys definitely let me know how it did down below in the comment section. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it.
Starting off with brushing my brow hairs into place, I'm using the bowl hold lace glue. I learned this trick from Sir John, who is Beyonce's makeup artist. If you don't feel comfortable using lace glue on your brows, you can definitely use soap, or you can use Gots to Be gel to brush your brow hairs into place. It'll definitely give you the same effect. To prime my lids, I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer, the Pro Filter concealer in the shade 410 to give my shadow something to adhere to. The palette that we're going to be working with today is the Morphe Oh Boy palette, and I'm using my M441 brush from Morphe as well to pack that into my inner corner, as well as place that at a diagonal on my outer lid. I really love the way that Diana shapes the eyes of her clients. I've definitely added that to my makeup routine as well. And like I said, the palette that I'm using is the Morphe Oh Boy palette. The first shade you guys saw me dip into was Blake. The other shade is Paxton. I guess the shade names kind of don't really matter unless you already have this palette at home, because like I said, it is discontinued. But after Blake and Paxton, I go in with Jonah just to help define that crease a little bit more. And then I use Knox to go under basically my lower lid and blend that out. And then I use my LA Girl gel eyeliner to create my like smoked out wing. I have been loving a like smoked out wing liner lately, which is new because y'all know I hate doing wing liner here on this channel, and on my clients I really hate when people ask for it. The brush that I use came from the craft store, and this brush actually came from a set that I got off Amazon, which I will link down below in the description box. Make sure you guys are expanding the description box, because every product that I use for the most part is always listed down there in the order in which I used it. So yeah, for skin, we are going in with the Morphe Filter Effect Foundation. I am in the shade Deep 33. I am obsessed with this foundation. If you haven't seen the video, I would definitely make sure that I link it in the cards as well as down below for your reference. I'm just applying it all over the skin. Now, Diana does use a beauty blender. Y'all know I'm a brush girl again as far as my products are concerned. However, I did use a beauty blender for my concealer, and the concealer that I'm using today is the Morphe Fluidity Concealer in the shade C4.5. This has also been a game changer for my makeup routine. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Maldives, or Maldives, however you guys pronounce it. I am obsessed with cream blush. Like, I went from not being a blush girl at all to absolutely loving blush. When you guys lay your concealer down and then put your blush, your cream blush on, and then blend it together, it gives your face the most radiant and just healthy look. Like, ugh, I'm so obsessed. For a little bit of cream contouring, I'm using my Depotted Black Opal True Color Foundation Sticks. This is in the shade Black Walnut, and you can get these from like your local Walmart, Walgreens, any reseller that pretty much sells Black Opal. Y'all know that is a staple on this channel. And then I'm just using the side of the brush as well as the tip to blend that contour, the concealer, and the blush all together as one, so that way you can't see where anything truly starts or stops. As always, I'm using my RCMA No Color Powder to set my face. And then I did my brows off camera because nothing has changed about the way that I do my brow routine. Not to mention, Diana doesn't really show in detail, or at least I haven't seen a video yet, how she does her brows. So I just did them my way, which is pretty much the same bushy look. The blush that you guys saw me grab is also, probably discontinued, by NYX, and it is Desert Rose. It is a very nice, radiant, rosy colored blush. I absolutely love it. And I was just basically intensifying my nose contour with the first shade that I laid down, which was Blake from the palette. And then I prepped my lashes for, I prepped my lashes for fall season. Sorry, y'all. I'm like hungry as hell trying to do this voiceover, so I'm really trying to like get through it so I can eat. Anyways, for my top lashes, I use the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and for the bottom, I use my Lancome Adore, I believe that's how you pronounce it, mascara. And that's only because I couldn't find, my Montessori Big mascara. The lashes that I'm using are from the Catherine collection. They are in the style Sophia. Y'all already know if you watch my lash video, these are my jam. So yeah, I'm basically just going back in, cleaning up my work, intensifying it. Like, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I was so shook seeing this look come together because it's just something about not having my foundation or my brows on when I start an eye look that just makes me feel like, why am I doing this? But baby, trust the experts, and Diana did not lead me wrong. Y'all can see I'm starting to feel myself right now. But yes, like, this look was everything. I finished the skin off with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Dark Deep. And again, that is just to marry everything together. The concept of makeup is to just blend. For my lip, I am using my Nika K lip liner in the shade Dark Brown, I believe, and I'm topping that off with my NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss, you guys. And y'all already know I have a haul about these glosses, and I'll link that in the description below as well.
And that is it for the final look. I hope that you all enjoyed this. I am absolutely obsessed with Diana's work. She is amazing. I have linked her Instagram down below in the description box just in case you guys want to go and follow her. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, if you guys would like to see me create more looks from some of my favorite makeup artists, definitely let me know and I can get those filmed for you guys. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video.